Hi, one of the amazing features in Office 365, especially in Excel, is the linked data, where you can query from the internet any information you need regarding any country, any university, any company, or medical medicine. For example, if I have name of some countries, let's say we have Egypt and United Kingdom, and now I need to tell Excel to deal with Egypt and United Kingdom as country, but it is preferred to convert this into a table. So now I can tell Excel to deal with this data as location. Now you can see the icon. Excel identifies the country, so I can add more information. Let's say area, population, and one of the most interesting is the flag image. Now if I add any other country, United States of America, Excel will query the data for the area of United States, population, and the flag, and so on, and that's it.